Hi, it's XO Melissa here. Thanks for watching. Today's tutorial is a mermaid waves with no heat style and a pull-through braid method to create this beautiful quick hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and let's get started. To start, I'm cleansing my hair with this Neon & Co. vegan shampoo, followed by this B3 Demi permanent conditioner. Next, I'm using this Arctic Fox Pool Party mask. I never cleanse my hair without using a mask right after. With this hair mask, you want to really make sure you get it all throughout your hair since it is a foam. I have super thick hair, so I need a little more than most. I'm going to leave this in my hair for 10 minutes. I usually leave hair masks in my hair much longer, but for the sake of this video, 10 minutes it is. Now before I style my hair, I'm throwing some Quai Hair Oil in my hair, and I'm only applying it mid to ends. Next, I'm applying my Olaplex Bond Smoother all throughout my hair. So I've combed through my hair now, and you'll want to make sure all of your hair is about 60% dry before you start your twist braid. So I'm going to start out by grabbing a small section of hair in the front and bringing it towards the back, grabbing a section underneath and twisting it over. So you're always going to twist the section back every time. Pick up more hair, twist it back. Pick up the hair, twist it back. So you'll keep repeating this process until you're at the nape of the neck. And then you're just going to twist the two sections of the hair all the way down and secure it with a clear elastic. You're going to repeat this on the other side. When that's all set, you're going to just pin the braid twists on the opposite sides, just to help them not come undone while you sleep. The next morning, you can undo the twists and watch the mermaid waves unfold. And voila! I'm just going to make some final touches by adding in some Quay wave spray, some IGK Speechless Dry Oil. This is not only great for your hair, but great for your skin as well. It's really going to add that shine in and not weigh my hair down. I'm also adding in this Beach Club texture spray. It really just holds in these waves to last for days. And there you have it, first style done. For this next style, you're just going to need several clear elastics nearby. I got this pack at my local Target for just a couple dollars. So I'm dividing out a section above my left ear. I'm gonna pull it back and do the same thing to the other side. For this style, I'm evening out the sections. I'm tying these two sections together with a clear elastic band. Now I'm taking the end and flipping it up and around the elastic. I'm pulling the hair on both ends to really make it a fuller look. Now I'm grabbing the two sections, pulling them back, tying them together with an elastic, and doing the same flip as before. Now I'm taking the two sides and fluffing the hair out. Now you can stop wherever, or you can go until you're all the way down to your ends. I'm stopping a few inches before the ends of my hair because I'm looking for a more messy boho look. For the end, I'm just going to pull some pieces from the front, and you can curl these, but I'm just going to leave them natural and stick to a no heat style. And there you have it, your boho pull-through braid. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Sending love and light. See you soon.